In this quick video, I'm going to provide a step-by-step guide to improve your Wi-Fi connection. If you're experiencing slow speeds, weak signals, or frequent disconnections, here's how you can optimize your network. Step 1. Restart your router and modem. Unplug both your router and modem. Wait for 30 seconds and plug them back in. This clears temporary glitches and refreshes the connection. Step 2. Check your device placement. Ensure your router is placed in a central, elevated location, away from walls, metal objects, and electronic interference like microwaves or cordless phones. This maximizes signal coverage. Step 3. Update firmware log into your router's admin panel. Check the manual for instructions and ensure its firmware is up to date. Updates often improve performance and security. Step 4. Change Wi-Fi channel. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app to check for crowded channels in your area. Switch to a less congested channel, like 1, 6, or 11 for 2.4 GHz, in your router settings to reduce interference. Step 5. Use the 5 GHz band. If your router supports dual band, connect your devices to the 5 GHz band for faster speeds. Reserve the 2.4 GHz band for devices farther from the router. Step 6. Secure your network. Change your Wi-Fi password to prevent unauthorized users from hogging bandwidth. Use WPA3 encryption for better security. Step 7. Upgrade your equipment. If your router is old, consider upgrading to a modern mesh Wi-Fi system or a dual-band router for better coverage and speed. Step 8. Limit bandwidth-heavy devices. Pause downloads, streaming, or backups on other devices while using the internet to free up bandwidth. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching and enjoy a faster, more reliable Wi-Fi connection.